Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And today we're going to go for a little ride in the Vanderhall because we've got fresh tires. These are the Federal SS 595 series. They are cheap. I got them from Giga-Tire.com. I'll link that in the description below with the link to these. Like some of the cheapest tires I've ever bought. I don't know why. They might be terrible, so I'm gonna go try them out today and see how they perform. Not that I'm some indie race car driver kind of guy, but just to see if they hook up okay and work well. I saw somewhere they were maybe like a drift tire. I don't really know if that's true or not, but we're gonna see how they work. I think they're probably gonna be fine. But I don't know. They're the same brand, size, everything of the stock tires that come on the car, which are a Federal brand tire as well, like an SS something or other. Let's see. So the stock tires are a Federal RSR 595. Again, I don't know what that means at all. They were just more expensive than these other tires were, so I'm trying these. They could be terrible. I don't know. I'm gonna find out and report back to you. On a side note, so now that I'm running catless on this bad boy, I've got some nice little exhaust streak going here. That is not part of the wrap. That is actual real exhaust, which I love because that kind of goes with the theme of the whole airplane deal. You always see exhaust marks on the side of, you know, the cowl of an airplane. So I think that looks awesome. I'm sure it would wipe right off. I mean, the car's wrapped, and just wipe it down and get it off there, but I'm gonna leave it because it looks cool. So yeah, so I'm gonna hop in this bad boy and go for a little ride today. It's hot today. It's already at like 90 or something. It's at 81 in the garage, so out in the sun it's gonna be pretty warm. Sorry, the guy across the street's mowing the lawn, so it's a little noisy. But yeah, gonna go for a little ride in it, check out these new tires, maybe do a little 0 to 60 time and see if we can improve on anything that we've done in the past. Not super cold outside, so I'm still gonna get some heat soak from the temperature being kind of high. But yeah, I've got literally nothing else to do because still on quarantine, but it doesn't say you can't go drive around. So I'm gonna go just drive around. No place to go, just down some back roads, having a little fun, getting out of the house, you know, just to do something with the day before I come back and do like yard work or something really boring. So anyways, so here's a cold start on a 2018 Vanderhall Venice. All right, so yeah. So it's been a week or so since I drove this thing. It's been like rainy and nasty outside. So, and you know, I wasn't trying to drive around with bald tires, but oh, it feels so good to be in the Vanderhall, especially with fresh tires, so it's not super sketchy. So before I get out on the main road here, I'm gonna set up my phone to do the timing that I'm doing. I use a drag racer app. I mean, that's just what it's called. It seems to do a pretty good job, I think, of measuring 0 to 60 times. Saw another guy using it, and you know, he seemed to have pretty good results with it. Best I've got out of it is 5.1 seconds. So I'm not sure, you know, how accurate it is. It's accurate to your mile per hour though, for sure. I'm gonna get rid of some of the stuff in my glove box because I forgot that I've got to turn traction control off if I want a proper good 0 to 60 time. So we're gonna go find a nice safe place to do it along a backcountry road somewhere. Okay, so we're sitting here. This little back road has like a little bit of traffic on it, but nothing crazy. Car here and there. But nobody's coming as far as I can tell from both directions for a while. stopped. And go. First time resetting. Oh, waiting for GPS now. And that's quick, but that's not crazy. That's not supercar fast or anything. So I'm gonna call it good there. I mean, I've gotten 5.1 before. I don't know how. I think it was the same setup. Maybe even before I had the catalyst downpipe in. I think it was just with the tune. It was just with the tune. And I got better results. So, I mean, I guess it could be these tires. I don't know. They seem to be pretty grippy. They've got a little wheel spin, but so the old tires did too. Maybe on a prep surface, this is like old, worn out asphalt out here. Maybe on concrete, I'll get better results, but there's just no back roads out here that have concrete on them for me to test on safely. So, I don't know. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day driving around. And, you know, this thing's still amazing, but I'm just gonna enjoy the back roads and test some of the curves and stuff on the tires and see how they hold up. So far so good. They feel great, especially for the price. So I'm trying to upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday right now. So that's the idea. We'll see how that goes. So far so good. I got 3 in last week. I got 1 yesterday. Today's Wednesday. I have this uploaded tomorrow on Thursday. So you guys will be seeing it on time, and try to keep the content coming. But that's gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Wait for it.